Hey friends, it's James here at True Blue Plumbing. Today I want to give you the top 3 drain issues that we most frequently run across here at True Blue Plumbing. So number 1 is just customer habit. Most of the time customers are just unaware of just simple things like, for example, flushable wipes. Well, they're really not flushable, or too much toilet tissue, or things of that nature. So I encourage you as a homeowner to put a little bit of attention to detail on that in terms of if you're on a septic system, you may want to buy toilet tissue that's made for septic systems. You want to refrain from using any kind of displashable wipes down the drain and so forth. So that's the number 1 common cause of drain issues in our business. Number 2 would be grease. A lot of customers are not aware that even though they discard the grease and throw it away, some of it still does build up on their plates and their dishes, and then it ends up in the drain line, and then over time it just creates an issue. And lastly, if the system has some defects in it to begin with, such as incorrect slope or things of that nature, then you're going to experience some drain issues. And in that case, give us a call and we'll come out and do a camera inspection to see what's going on inside your drain line. So those are the top 3 common drain issues. And again, if you're experiencing any drain issues, feel free to call us and we'll be happy to come out and perform a video inspection for you.